Hey, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the free certification vouchers given by Microsoft in next week and upcoming weeks. So they have announced a new event called Microsoft AI Upskilling event, which is happening in 8th of June to 12th of June, right? So these are the important details which you have to keep in mind, and they are going to provide you the learning tracks, examination preparation, and the hackathon, right, which are curated as per your needs and your upskill requirement. For example, there are 3 developer tracks where you can create and submit agents to climb the leaderboard, compete for prizes, sign up separately at the link below, right? And they are going to provide the free vouchers which is valid for all Microsoft and GitHub certifications, and I will be providing the link in the description of this video. And some of the important certifications that caught my eye are DP203, which is Azure Data Engineer Associate, AI 103, which is Azure AI Apps and Agents Developer Associate, DP750, Azure Databricks Data Engineer Associate, and the PL300, for which I have been making videos on the preparation for this exam. So yes, you can get the voucher for this exam certification as well, which is approximately 4865 in INR plus some of this GST if applicable. So roughly 5,000 rupees certification voucher you can get by attending this Microsoft AI upskilling event. And the last one is GH300 GitHub Copilot. So these are some of the certifications which I found useful. There are other certifications as well on their website, and just keep in mind the event is happening on 8th to 12th of June. So you have to register before uh you know before this event starts, right? And talking about the link for registration, you can pause the video, copy this link if you're not able to see the link in the description. But yeah, this is the link, and what I'm gonna do now is go to this URL so that you can see the website in action and register for this. So yeah, this is the website of Microsoft AI Skills Navigator. There is a video of introduction of what this event is all about. You can play this video, right, and you can understand what to expect. You can get all the details here, right? You can get your festival pass, choose your experience, unlock perks, main stage, curated your role, certify with confidence. So everything is available on this website. What you need to do now is you need to click on register now, and then you need to sign in with your Microsoft email ID, right? For which you can sign in and you can register for this event, right? And yes, you will be able to see that you have registered. You will receive an email, right? But yeah, this is a small thing where you can do. You can just go to this URL and register for this event. And like I said, uh, come back and take part in this certification, right? And yep, so yeah, just wanted to announce this on the channel as well, so all of you can get these vouchers for free, as Microsoft is known for providing these vouchers time and again, every month now and then, I don't know, every year they are providing these vouchers, so that depending on the cost of the certification, the professionals or learners who want to certify themselves can get these vouchers for free and upskill themselves. So yeah, this is a great initiative, I must say, and looking forward to each one of you taking advantage of this event and signing up. So yeah, just a small announcement I wanted to make, and all the best for those one of you who are preparing for Microsoft PL300 certification exams with the help of my playlist as well, and also the resources that are available. But yeah, just wanted to share this information everyone, and all the best and happy learning. Thank you for watching.